With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Everyone, let's start the question. So the question says that calculate equilibrium constant for the reaction CO plus H2O gives rise to CO2 plus H2. If equilibrium constant for 2CO plus O2 gives rise to 2CO2 and the equilibrium constant is K1, that is 40 into 10 to the power minus 3, and the second equation is 2H2 plus O2 gives rise to 2H2O and the equilibrium constant K2 is 36 into 10 to the power minus 2. So let's see the solution. So first, the main equation for which we have to calculate the equilibrium constant is CO plus H2O gives rise to CO2 plus H2. Let the equilibrium constant for this reaction is K. So we have to calculate the value of K. And now we have to derive from these two equations, or we have to find out the value of K using these two equations. So the first equation is 2CO plus O2 gives rise to 2CO2 and the equilibrium constant K1 is 40 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this is equation 1. Equation 2 is 2H2 plus O2 gives rise to 2H2O and the equilibrium constant K2 is 36 into 10 to the power minus 2. So this is equation 2. Now, water in the main equation, water is at the left side or at the reactant side. But in equation 2, water is on the product side. So first we have to reverse the equation 2. So by reversing equation 2, the equation becomes 2H2O gives rise to 2H2 plus O2. So this is equation 2 and the equilibrium constant will be 1 divided by 36 into 10 to the power minus 2. So this is now equation 3. Now we'll add equation 1 with equation 3. So by adding equation 1 with equation 3, so we will get 2CO plus 2H2O gives rise to 2CO2 plus 2H2. So this is the equation, but the main equation is CO plus H2O gives rise to CO2 plus H2, but there is no coefficient. So, but in this reaction or in this equation, there is coefficient. So you have to now by dividing 2, we have to remove this coefficient. So this is let equation IV. So now we'll dividing equation IV by 2. Now the equation becomes, so for this reaction, for this equation, equilibrium constant will be 40 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 36 into 10 to the power minus 3, because we add equation 1 with 3. So the equilibrium constant will multiply with each other. So the equation or equilibrium constant will become 40 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 36 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now we'll divide 2 by equation IV. So the equation will become CO plus H2O gives rise to CO2 plus H2. So now this is our final equation and we take 2K as equilibrium constant. So value of K will become 40 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 36 into 10 to the power minus 2. Root over of this. So it will become root over of 1 by 9, that is 1 by 3 equals to 0.33. So the answer will be 0.33. So equilibrium constant for the reaction will be 0.33. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.